Now that I've been put through hell, never got anyone.